Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to keep your apps open when you put your computer in sleep mode on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Once everything is up and running, you'll want to navigate to the Windows Start menu. You can find this icon in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Control Panel and press Enter. This will open the Windows Control Panel, which is where you'll be making all the necessary changes to keep your apps running even when your PC goes into sleep mode. From the Control Panel window, look for and click on Hardware and Sound. This section gives you access to various system settings related to your computer's hardware and power management. Under the Hardware and Sound menu, you'll see several options. Click on Power Options to proceed. This is where you can customize how your computer manages power and what happens when you put it into sleep or hibernate mode. Once you're in the Power Options menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the window. You'll see a link that says Choose what the power buttons do. Click on this option to access more advanced settings. Next, you'll need to unlock some protected settings. Look for the link that says Change settings that are currently unavailable and click on it. This will allow you to modify system settings that are normally locked. Now, scroll down to the Shutdown Settings section. Here's where the important change happens. You'll see a checkbox next to Sleep. Remove the checkmark from the Sleep option and instead select the checkbox next to Hibernate. This switch is crucial because Hibernate saves your open apps and documents to your hard drive, ensuring everything stays exactly as you left it. Once you've made this change, click on Save Changes to apply your new settings. Now, you're not quite done yet. Go back to the left-hand menu and click on Change when the computer sleeps. This option allows you to fine-tune when and how your computer enters power-saving modes. From this new window, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. A smaller window will pop up with a list of expandable options. Look for the Sleep option in this list and click the plus button next to it to expand it. You'll see a setting called Sleep After. Click on this and set it to Never. This ensures your computer won't automatically go into traditional sleep mode. Now, to make sure your apps stay open, you'll want to activate the Hibernate option by setting a specific time interval for when your PC should hibernate. This way, your computer will save everything you're working on before entering a low power state. Once you've configured these settings to your preference, click Apply to save all your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Windows 11 computer to keep your apps open by using Hibernate mode instead of sleep mode. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.